So, bababa kami guys para maghanap ng toothpaste at wala kaming toothbrush kahapon pa. Let's go na. Ayan si Jazz. Iyak na naman to sa elevator kasi kulong.
I'll better eat banana so that it doesn't.
Let's go. Ayan o, nag-start na naman siya umiyak. Where Jazz ka go? Where are you, Jazz? Dito kami sa harap ng ano. Sa North EDSA kami. Ayan, SM. Just in SM. You know what, Lavi is near here. Harap se. More than Reliance. Go under. Wala po.
Ito lang. What? It's not allowed.
Aja here.
Yeah.
See, it's more good, right?
It's not bigger.
Reliance.
It's not.
Gulu, please. Don't say that. I can tell.
Then show me here. Show me in here. Show me in here.
Yes, toothbrush. No, just don't need it. Just bring yours. Choose the. I need it also. Sabi ko sa kanya guys, mas magaganda ang mga shopping center dito kumpara sa India.
It's
and see the cleanliness, Gulu.
It's
You can compare now the cleanliness.
It's 40. Yeah, cleanliness is much more good than. It's 43 for one.
Then just take one. No, find one. Yeah, but there's one.
It's a one piece.
Subukan daw ni Mr. itong buko juice ni Kuya.
What's that?
Small size only. Ha? See, compare the street foods. You can compare now, street foods.
Where's the...
Eurotel. Ask na. Try to ask if he will answer you.
Kuya, magkano yan? 45 for much?
Hindi po. You want the fresh one or this one?
Fresh.
Fresh one. Fresh one. Opo, isa. So, nagtanong si Mr. Guest lang Tagalog kay Kuya. Ayan.
45 for one?
Ha. It's kind of...
Take two.
One is snap is kind of much juice also. Can you ask for glass? 2 glass?
2 glass. What should I say?
Just a sleepy. We can bring upstairs also.
Okay.
We can drink in our hotel.
No, it's okay.
Then ask him to put it in your glass.
Just say it in, I don't know.
Then just hold just.
So we get back 60, right?
Nagpawisan akong lumabas. Kaya, si Jazz, iyak na naman siya going. Si going baby. So ayaw kasi mag-press yung 7 guys sa elevator. So nakabili kami ng kailangan na namin. Ayan. Kunti lang ang binili. Yung kailangan lang namin. Na Jazz, no? Kasi maliligo si Jazz today. Under. Wait, anak. Ayan. So, babalik na kami sa aming room, guys. ko. Just. Doggy. Doggy. Magdi-dinner kami dito sa McDo. So, nag-order muna si Mister. Ayan. So, andito si Jess. Ayan. Jess! Jess! What Jess ka gonna eat? Huh? Jess, what you wanna eat? Chicken? Chicken? So, ang daming pila, guys. Super crowded ng SM. Grabe. Ayan. So, lalamon muna kami, guys, bago kami babalik sa aming hotel, no? Para diretso tulog na lang kami. Ayan. So, bukas babalik kami dito. Kasama ko yung kapatid ko. Tsaka si Jasse. Oh, mera Jasse. Oh, mera Jasse. Si Jess. Na si Jess na mangha sa dami ng tao. Ayan, so doon si Mister. Si Mister nagtataka bakit daw ako pawis na pawis. Mainit kaya, humidity. Pero para sa kanya hindi siya humidity. Dahil siyempre nagmula siya sa India, no? So ibang-iba talaga ang weather sa India, guys. Ayan na siya. Are you done? Then you will go or I'll go? Then
Order number 99. It's like 400, right?
All? All? How much all?
Yes.
You have drink? No drink?
No drink. There is coffee, so that there's no adulteration.
Order coffee?
2 coffee.
Ayan, so pupunta na na siya. Saan na ba siya? Doon. Pumila ka dyan kasi ako ang bantay kayo dyan. Asa, are you hungry, Lala? Yes ka hungry? Ha? Ayan, si Mr. nag-order, guys. Ayan. Ang order niya. Favorite niya talaga ang how much is all? Ayan, kay Jess ito.
397.
Acha. Ayan. Let's eat. Just ka eat. Lalala. Baby dancing. Check. Tapos niya lang umiyak. Naalala niya ang dado niya. Kawawa naman ang bata. Kapag ka nabuboring na siya sa pinapanood niya na ang dado ang naalala. Pag nasa probinsya ka na, Jess, hindi mo na maalala ang dado, I'm sure. No? Nanood siyang Jollibee dancing.